Hi there. Let me quickly show you how to log into the Grammarly account because it's going to be done through cookies, not through login details like email and password. So the first step is to download the GT2 cookies Chrome extension. Alright, so once you install this, you have to come here. I've already installed it, so I won't be doing it over again. Okay, once it's installed, the next step is to log into or open the Grammarly web app, and then you come here to this. You will find that Chrome will save this to your cookie sidebar to save the J2 Team Cookies extension to this place. Then you click here. It's going to present you with a couple of options. You should click import. Once you click import, remember the gram.json file I shared with you. If you didn't download it, you should check that file I shared with you on Saturday to download it, and then click. It will refresh automatically, and then the next thing it will be welcome to premium. That's it. I was going to see if you have any issues, but this should get you going. Alright, bye bye.